Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you just switch from Android to iPhone. So if you want your all contact list of your Android on your iPhone, so this video is only for you. Watch this video till end very carefully. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have one Samsung phone and I have one iPhone. Okay, I want to transfer my all contact from Android to iPhone. To do this guys, first you need to sync your all contact to the Google account on your Android. If contact are saved in your Google account, you can get all of them on your iPhone easily without resetting it. Let me show you how. On your Android phone, simply you need to open your phone settings. Okay, like this. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out Google and select your Google account and tap on manage your Google account. Okay, like this. Scroll down and find out people and sharing option. Open it. From here you need to find out contact. Open it. Okay, if the Google contact is not synced, you need to sync it. Simply you need to enable contact syncing. Okay, this ensure guys all contact are saved into your Google account. Now you need to move to your iPhone. Take your iPhone, open your iPhone settings. Okay, in your iPhone settings, scroll down and find out contact. Okay, open the contact. In the contact app guys, open the contact account and here you need to add your Google account. Just tap on add, select Google from here. Okay, and enter your same Google account which you are using on your Android phone. Enter your Google account ID and password. So it will quickly add your Android phone Google account on your iPhone. And main important thing, you need to enable the contact from here. And here finally you can get your all contact of your Android device in your iPhone, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, important note guys, internet connection is required to this setting. Sync may take few minutes if contact are many. That's it, your Android contact are now available on your iPhone. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Techify for more Android and iPhone tips. Catch you in the next one.